Has the long weekend left you wanting an even longer holiday? Cruise ship companies are certainly hoping so. Yes, it is their slow season, so they're offering some big bargains to attract customers. And if you're willing to overlook a few recent PR disasters, you could be looking at a great deal. Aaron Saltzman explains.
If you can sail there, chances are Vicky and Bernie Bone have been there.
I started in about 1989-90, and in total, 41 cruises. Yeah.
They're up to 5 or 6 cruises a year, some as long as 30 days. And if you want to join them, experts say now is as good a time as any.
You can pick up a 12, 14-day cruise for next to nothing.
Travel agent Dean Baraka says this is the shoulder season for cruises, a slow period between the busy winter and summer months. But he also says the industry has seen some deep discounts due to some well-publicized misadventures at sea. In February, an engine fire on a Carnival cruise ship left hundreds stranded for 4 days in the Gulf of Mexico with no air conditioning, little food, and clogged and overflowing toilets.
It was literally like being in a floating porta potty.
Then last month, another Carnival cruise ship broke down in port in St. Martin, forcing the company to fly home more than 4,000 passengers. PR disasters for the industry, but an opportunity for bargain hunters.
If they continue to have problems, then obviously they're going to have to continue to do something in order to get the public back on board.
Just don't expect the deals to last for too long, he says.
In September.
Even without the bargains, Vicky and Bernie Bone say cruises are generally pretty good bang for your buck.
We usually work it out that on average, it's usually under $100 a day for cruising.
Which also includes all meals and entertainment. And the best part, they say, you can visit a half a dozen countries on one trip and never have to unpack. Aaron Saltzman, CBC News, Toronto.